Hey guys, today we're going to be solving a part whole, part unknown word problem using base tens frames and the standard algorithm for subtraction. I'll start by reading the problem to you. There are 400 apples on the tree. 225 of the apples are red and the rest are green. How many apples are green? So we know that we have to start with 400 apples total because that's how many are on the tree. In order to find out how many of the apples are green, we need to take away the 225 of the red apples, and that will give us how many apples are green. So we want to start with 4 100ths frames. So we can't take away 25 from these two zeros, so we have to regroup and decompose our hundreds frames. So we can change this 400 to a 300 in order to get the amount that we need for our tens and our ones place. So since we did that, we will come over to one of these hundreds frames and we will decompose it into 10 tens frames. Now we have 10 tens frames. So that makes our tens place, right here we have a 0, turn to a 10 because we technically still have 400, but it's in 10 tens frames. And then 300 here. So now, in order to get the ones that we need to take away 5, we will need to decompose a tens frame into 10 ones. That will change our tens place to a 9. We will decompose. Now we have 10 ones. And now our problem is all ready to subtract. We are ready. So 10 ones minus 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, gives us 5 ones left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now, since we had to decompose, we have 9 tens frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 2, 1, 2, leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens frames. Now, we move over to the left to our hundreds place. We had to decompose, which leaves us with 3 100ths frames. 3 minus 2, 1, 2, leaves us with 100, 7 tens, 5 ones. Our answer is 175 of the apples are green. Awesome job today, guys.